In this video, you will see how to erase table line in MS Word document. We will see how to remove all borders and remove specific borders like horizontal or vertical in a Word table. Let's get started. So first, you need to click on the table here to select the table, and then you will see the option of table design. Just click on this option, and here you will see all the borders option. Specifically see here for the borders option. If you click on the drop down, you will have various options. Right now, all these tick marks represent that all borders are on. So let's say if you want to remove all borders of the table, then you should select the option no border. So this will remove the table border. And you can also now specify what you want to do. So let's say if I click inside this cell and go to the borders option, now I will have option if I want to remove the top border, bottom border or left, right, etc. For example, if I select the option bottom border, as you can see, the bottom border has been removed. Similarly, you can also select multiple cells, go to the borders option and then select what you want to do. So let's say you don't want the outside border. So you can just untick this option and the outside border will be gone. So like this, you can try various options available here to remove bottom border, top border, left border, right borders, all borders as well as outside borders and inside borders. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.